Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to be doing the deck lid. So yeah, last episode, if you didn't see it, we did the blackout pieces right here. So it made it look a lot better. Get rid of that ugly red because it doesn't match really anything on here at all. So made it look a lot better. And now today we're going to be working on the deck lid. So I already took off the deck lid. It wasn't that hard. It's basically just you undo these bolts in here, and then on each side, and then you basically just have to pry it off of these, and then make sure you unplug the camera, which is right here. So make sure you unplug that before, and then I'm gonna have to take that out. Probably take some other things out to swap over to the new deck lid once I get it over here. So yeah, let's get the other deck lid here. All right, so I don't know where I left off because I'm doing this on a different day, but as you can see, I put the deck lid on. So as you can see, it looks a lot better than the GT one, the ugly GT one that was on there. So basically all I had to do was put foam like around it to help with like pushing it down. And it's basically just 2 screws in there that you take out. Super easy to do. And then you pull it because there's pins up here. You have to switch the camera around, make sure you do it the right way because I accidentally put it on backwards the first time. So that was annoying, but then I fixed it. But yeah, so that's basically all you have to do. Super easy, looks a lot better than it did stock. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.